All right. Hello, Friday. What is up, y'all? I've heard all kinds of stuff that people are scared, and don't be scared. You just got to trade your plan. Remember, you and I have a trading plan that tells everything that we're supposed to do. Everything. There is not one thing that we have left off here that you're not supposed to not know. Everything is on here. So the first thing before you start making knee-jerk reactions, Beck, can you get him out of here? I can't hear with all the crying going on. Crying and screaming. That's the way some of y'all are acting. Y'all crying and screaming. Yeah, well, tell him if he wants some more, he better quit crying and screaming. So we've got a thing here. Even if your net lick is down 5% or more in a day, just close everything. No big deal. We got everything here that you need to do. So the first thing you do is let's look at our big green muster and everything. Market, we have above average participation. VIX is at 18.62. The AD is at 167, and we're down 0.6%. Let's look at the big green muster. Now, we do have a problem, y'all. The big green muster has gone from oversold to overbought, which means that we are likely, if we stay here for a little bit, we're likely to see a move down. Let me show you where we could go to the 49.33 if we break the 5,000 area. So it'll be interesting to see if we're able to hold 5,000. If 5,000 holds, we're going right here to the 51.50. So we may go to the 49.33. We may go to the 51.50. It's just a matter of time. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression looks like this. Remember, we went up for a while. Then we had a period of consolidation. Then we had this little down track, and we expect this to continue to the downside. So actually, we could redraw these things because this thing is actually, let's see if we can redraw it. Yeah, look at that. Let's redraw it like this. And let's redraw this. See if we can make this look anything like what it looks like here. There we go. That's the little channel we got going on. So just got it redrawn. So until we break out of this to the upside, we can continue expecting more movement to the downside. Now, actually, we haven't had enough downside movement to give us any benefit yet. We want the market to go down. We just want it to go down slowly. And this is exactly what we want. We want a very slow and methodical move to the downside. So we've had about a 5% move to the downside from these upper sections here. So it's really good. Nobody should panic. So the first thing that you should do is you should update your spreadsheet. So we've got our spreadsheet. We're going to trade the big account today. And I'm taking more risk than many of you, so don't worry. So today is the 19th in the year of our Lord 24. Let's see how bad we took a hit. So let's see. Here we go. Let's see how much money we got in the old account today. Why aren't you showing it? Because they don't let me show it anymore without showing the account number, so I can't show it there. So we're at 281,598, 281,605, 281,605. We are making money, baby. Praise the Lord. All right, let's go to our Greeks and ratios. So our Greeks and ratios in this account are 549, 297, 549, 297, 549, and we said 297. Isn't that amazing how that number changed on the theta? And if you'll behave, but if you don't behave, you ain't getting jack crap. I don't care if you got Asperger's or what, Jack. All right, so let's see what our buying power is here. Let's go to our positions. We don't count our bill. So we're at 141,028. Very calm. 141,028. And the VIX is at 18. Now, I don't see anything wrong other than our deltas, y'all. Look at this. We have 549 deltas, and it says to be delta neutral, we need about 127 short deltas. So what I'm going to do is I am going to sell probably 3 contracts of the micros. So we'll go micros. Let's trade the micros. Oh, I got to log back in. So let's sell some macros here. Let's see, which one is it? Which one is the current contract? MES must be the use. All right, MES. So we're going to go bid, and we're going to sell 3 of these, right? So let's do quantity of 3. Especially if y'all are worried about the market. Oh my gosh, just sell you some macros. So we sold 3 of those. Now watch what this does. That's going to reduce that to about 400. See that? $3.99, now $2.97. So now we're $3.99, $2.97, $2.97. Okay, and we're using 50% of our buying power. Y'all, to me, this looks like a healthy portfolio. Using 50% of our buying power, no adjustment there. We can use up to 50% as long as what? Couple of things. We have to have the 200 moving day average above, price above its 200 moving day average. Well, we're getting close to the 200 moving day average, but we're still above it. Then let's go over here and let's look at 200 moving day average and the 10 and 20 exponential moving day average. Okay, so price is about to go here, but still the 10 is above the 20. As long as the 10 is above the 20, we are at 50%, baby. So there's nothing to do here. Now, let's see if there's something that we could close that would be at a profit. So in this account, these are our naked puts. Let me show all these here. Yeah, these are our naked puts. So 4100s are our oldest naked puts. Let's see how those are. Naked 4100s. Let's see if we can reduce a little deltas with those. 4100, and we got 4 of them. And how many days to expiration? These are in the 62, 4162 days to expiration. So let's look at that. Positions, 4100s. Let's see, 4100. Oh, all I got to do is find the thing. I got these all classified, don't I? Naked put 15. Let's find our naked put 15. Here we go. Naked put 15s. Look at this. They're 42% profitable. They're 42% profitable. Now, where are they? Well, at 63 days, they're the 4100s. Let's go look at them. 61 days, 4100. 61 days, 4100. I guess it's 62 days. Let's go down to the 4100s where I got my positions. Oh, wow. They're 4 delta, y'all. Ooh, scary. It's a 4% chance of those being in the money. Scary. Waka waka. Y'all, there's nothing to do here. I mean, I could close them and take a little bit of my things off, but why would I? Look at this, y'all. I don't have a single closing signal telling me to close anything. Why would I do anything? I mean, these are perfectly safe. We got 4250s. Now we do have some 4650s and some 4700s and some 4800s. But let's check our worst one, y'all. We have 4800s, right? That's the closest to the money. 4800s at 91 days. Let's go look at that. 4800s at 91 days. 91 days, 4800s. Oh God, it's a 24 delta. I don't do anything until that becomes a what? 30 delta. And then I only have to roll it if my overall metrics are messed up. Well, my overall metrics aren't messed up. I'm still great. I mean, I'm still groovy, baby. Still groovy. So this is the worst case scenario, 24 delta. I don't do anything till it's a 30 delta. Now, I am not putting on a new trade today. Why? It is 26 delta, not yet at 30. Yeah, and I don't go by delta. I go by probability being in the money, but I still call it delta. So we're at 24 delta or 26, which is an approximation. There's nothing to do till it's 30. Nothing to do. And now I've got everything in line. I mean, look at this, y'all. I mean, how healthy is this portfolio? Look at this. Deltas are green. My theta is green. My buying power is at 50%. I mean, waka waka. Oh, I bet my buying power went down after I did the future too. Remember, we've got a little thing here. What's this? What takes your buying power down? Closing a rolling position, selling futures, which is what we just did. So that probably took my buying power down a little bit. Let's look and see. Let's get it updated here. Count requirement. Let's do update everything here. There. And let's go and see what we've got now. So now it's positions. Let's see. We're at 141,028. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, it's the same. Let's see. Let's see. What can I do to get it to update? Yep, requirement. There. Yeah, here we go. 115,961. Let's make sure that's the case. Well, it says 132 there. I'm gonna go with this one. 132,931. 132,931. 132,931. I'm at 47%, y'all. Now remember, last March, we got up to 96% buying power. We're not even close to that today. Not even close at all. So there's nothing to do, but I'm not putting a trade on because I've got plenty of theta and my deltas are fine. My buying power's fine. Chalk it up. Now we have a Muscadine Mafia session coming up that is for Muscadine Mafia. I think it's Muscadine Mafia only. And we'll be talking about the analysis tab on the Tasty Trade platform. And I have been provided a video. We tried to have somebody live today, but they couldn't make it. But we have a video of them going through the analysis tab, which should be very, very good. So I will post the link for the Muscadine Mafia session in the Muscadine Mafia chat room. Everybody else, y'all have a good weekend. I love you to pieces, and I hope you have a great weekend. I will see y'all Monday.